What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be going over Tesla, breaking that down. It was requested, so I'm going to go over it. I'm going to break it down from a technical standpoint, and just going to talk about what it did today, what's been doing the last couple of days, and just the overall standpoint of Tesla. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for being here. Your support is truly appreciated. So let's get right into the video, and let's talk about Tesla. Now, today, Tesla fell down $44, so that was about 5%, so that was a pretty steep decline for Tesla. Now, what am I looking at tomorrow? What needs to happen? Well, I'm going to be looking at the S&P 500, so we all know Tesla's in that now. So if the S&P 500 is up tomorrow, then expect Tesla to bounce. Now, yes, the Tesla can still be up and S&P 500 can be down, but normally it likes to move with it now, so keep that in mind. Now, we saw an aggressive sell-off on the S&P 500 today. It just, bam, hit us all of a sudden, came back up, and now we're just kind of hanging out. So tomorrow for Tesla, what I wanted to see it do is get back in this green box. Now this green box, the range between that is 815 and 834. Now this area has been crucial for us. We only got out of it one time before, but we snapped right back in it. So if I'm watching Tesla, I want it to snap right back in it like it did today. Now, something to keep in mind is, though, that we did get rejection here. So we rejected from the top side, but it was a small red candle, so I would take that with a grain of salt. So getting back into this 815 range is crucial, like I mentioned before. Now, tomorrow, if we do sell off, I do not want us getting below this low right here. I do not want us getting below 792. So that's the level you need to look out for. The reason why is because we can see that as a pullback. You can see this as a higher low. So if we pull back here and we get below this, then we're in a downtrend because we're not making those higher lows anymore. So this is what it looks like. So this was the pullback, right? This was the uptrend, kind of consolidated right here. This is the next pullback, and then so on and so forth. So you can see the pattern here. If we're going to keep this uptrend, we need to make sure that this is the second higher low and it's not going to get below this. If it gets below this, then possibly we could still have some more room for Tesla to fall. So I'll be watching this closely. Now let's say tomorrow is green and we do get in here. Great, awesome, that's perfectly fine. As long as we stay in this green box, then we should be doing good. Now something I want to keep in mind though is that this 835 area, it has given us so many opportunities before. Look how many times we bounced here before. We've bounced here multiple times before. We've consolidated around this range multiple times before. So we know that this is an area of interest. So getting back above that is bullish. So that's something obviously I want to look out for tomorrow as well and Friday. Now, tomorrow's Thursday, so hopefully we do get a green day Thursday. Now Friday, typical sell-off days. Fridays are normally notorious for selling off, so we may see a small sell-off on Friday. So let's do a bullish case scenario here on Tesla. So tomorrow, Thursday, let's say we push up and then we just hang out around here. That would be awesome. Getting in this would make me feel a lot more comfortable and us just hanging around this area. And then maybe on Friday, we may push up past it. Who knows? Or maybe we sell off on Friday, but we still stay in between this range. So the important thing that you need to take away from this video is staying in between this range. Now, I have some shares of Tesla. I love Tesla. I've been adding on to every single dip. I have this for a long term. But if we do break this, then we're most likely coming back down to this second green box. Now, that is quite a pullback, but it most likely will happen just because we broke this higher low pattern. Now, do I want it to happen? No, but you got to be realistic. If we do break this lower high right here, higher low, then we could be heading back down to this level. I'm not saying we are, but we could. Now, obviously, let's say we get past 835, on Friday, Monday, look out for this line right here at 885. We tried to push up near, last couple of days, and even last week, we got rejection. That's just an all-time high level around that level, so that's going to be a psychological level. That's something to keep in mind that when we do get near it, we typically sell off. But today, the market sold off as a whole, so just don't think it was Tesla, guys. We've been on this amazing bull run so far. The last couple of weeks, we've just been on this slow, steady upcline. It's been real nice, so expect some pullbacks. Now, yes, Tesla is pulling back quite a while. It's pulling back quite a lot compared to the overall market, so it is kind of frustrating if you're watching it. But every time Tesla pulls back, it just gives us buying opportunity. I would never sell Tesla for a loss. If you're in Tesla, just hold on to it. There's no need for you to just sell this for a loss. There's no need to panic. Just relax, stay in it, and overall it looks strong. So the key takeaway from this video is getting back in the 815 range and the 834 range. If we can get back in there, then we will do fine. That's bullish for us. We're still consolidating. We've had this monster push up. ever since this huge push up, we've just been consolidating, and that's perfectly fine. We've been doing a whole lot of nothing since, what was this? The end of January, the beginning of January, end of December. We had this monster rally, and we've just been cooling off. A stock needs to do that. Now, a stock either consolidates like this or it pushes down. So obviously, if you're in Tesla, you want it to consolidate. You don't want it to dip lower to cool down. Now, I don't use indicators, but let's take a look at the RSI and see how that's looking right now. Like I said, I don't use this to trade, but I like to entertain this. Yeah, see, look. We're here at the 40 range. We still could, still have a ways to go, but this is looking healthy. Like I said, this huge push up, look right here. We had this huge push up, we got overextended, and instead of pulling back, we consolidated, and that cooled off the RSI. That's why I'm saying consolidation is good for a stock. That's just something to keep in mind. I just wanted to get this video out here because it was requested, and I hope you did enjoy this Tesla video. And if you did, go ahead and thumbs up, like, comment, share. Appreciate all the support, guys, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see a specific stock. I can make a video for you as well. Either way, I will see you all in the next one.